There are no radio altimeter controls in the cockpit. Both radio altimeters activate automatically when AC power is applied to the aircraft. After a brief self-test, the radio altimeters are in a standby mode during ground operations. They become active at takeoff and then operate continuously until touchdown. Radio height is always expressed as the number of feet between the bottom of the wheels and the ground. Radio altimeter data is supplied to several different users and is displayed on both PFDs at all times below 2,500 feet AGL. Normally, radio altimeter 1, RA1 height, is displayed on the captain's PFD and RA2 on the first officer's PFD. The radio altitude display on the PFD changes in color and size based on height above ground and/or proximity to the decision height. This color-coded digital readout is coupled with a white ground indication line and a red ground ribbon on the altimeter scale. The ground indication line and the red ground ribbon correspond to the rising ground level when the aircraft is descending. As the aircraft descends below approximately 500 feet AGL, the red ribbon appears at the bottom of the altimeter scale and begins to move up. The white ground line moves from the bottom of the PFD toward the horizon. At touchdown, the ribbon is in the center of the altitude readout, and the white ground line is merged with the horizon, as shown. These are designed to be used as a ground reference during autoland operations. In addition to the visual indications during approach, there is a synthetic voice for radio height announcement.